Hi, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to our chemistry class. In the last class, we have studied about how to write a chemical formula. With the help of symbols and valencies of elements, we can write the formulae of different compounds. Okay. Today's topic is molecular mass. It means mass of a molecule. Children, we have got the idea atomic mass, or that concept we already learned from previous classes. Atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of an atom, isn't it? This concept can be extended to calculate molecular mass. Okay, I will write the atomic mass of some elements. You have already learned that element and its atomic mass. Then first one, hydrogen. Hydrogen, its symbol is H. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Yes, 1. 1 is the 1 atomic mass unit, or 1 AMU is the atomic mass of hydrogen. Okay. Then what about nitrogen? Yes, its atomic mass is 14 atomic mass unit, isn't it? Then what is the mass of a carbon atom? Yes, it will be 12. Okay. Then what about oxygen? Yes, 16. 16 is the atomic mass of an oxygen atom. Okay. Then what about sodium? Sodium, its symbol is Na. Yes, 23. Then calcium. What is the atomic mass of calcium? Yes, 40. 40 atomic mass unit. Then what about magnesium? Yes, that is 24 atomic mass unit, and that goes on. That is, the mass of an atom is known as atomic mass. The mass of a hydrogen atom, it is 1. The mass of a nitrogen atom, it is 14. The mass of a carbon atom, it is 12, and so on. So with the help of this atomic mass, we can calculate the molecular mass of different substances. Okay. So next one, how to calculate the molecular mass and what is mean by molecular mass. Okay. Children, molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atom present in a molecule of that substance. ഒരു മോളിക്യൂളിലെ ആറ്റംസിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അറ്റോമിക് മാസിന്റെ ടോട്ടൽ സമ്മാണ് എന്ത് മോളിക്കുലർ മാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ റിലേറ്റീവ് മാസ് ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി കാൽക്കുലേറ്റഡ് ഇൻ ദ യൂണിറ്റ് atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, that is U. It is denoted by small letter U. It is also calculated in this unit, that is atomic mass unit, same as the atomic mass. It is denoted by the small letter U. Children, water is a compound. Water molecules contains hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. So the molecular mass of a water is the sum of the atomic masses of hydrogen and oxygen atom. Okay. So we can check, or we can calculate the molecular masses of different compounds. Okay. Children, then we are going to calculate the molecular masses of different substances. First one, I will write one example. Calculate the relative atomic mass of water molecule. Atomic mass of water molecule. Water means H2O. Its chemical formula is H2O. Then first step, what it is? mass of, first we will write atomic mass of hydrogen, that we already know. So what it is? Yes, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit. Then what is the atomic mass of oxygen? Atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. So, with the help of these atomic masses, we can calculate the molecular mass. The molecular mass of, therefore, the molecular mass of water is, here you can see 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So, it will become 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. 2 into, I will write here, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. It is the molecular mass, means it is the sum of the atoms of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a water molecule. So, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, because here 2 hydrogen atoms are containing in a water molecule and only 1 oxygen atom. So, it will become 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. What is the answer? 2 plus 16, that is 18 atomic mass unit. It is the molecular mass of a water molecule. 18 atomic mass unit is the molecular mass of a water molecule. We will get from the atomic masses of hydrogen and oxygen. That is 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. That is the molecular mass of water. Okay. It is very simple way. We can calculate the molecular mass of different compounds. Children, another example is calculate, second one, calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid, that is HNO3. Calculate the molecular mass of one molecule of HNO3. Here 3 atoms are present. 3 different types of atoms are present in nitric acid HNO3. They are hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So, how we can calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid? Yes, with the help of atomic masses of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, we can calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. Okay, then what is the first step? Yes, find the atomic masses of each atom. So, atomic mass of hydrogen atom, that is 1 AMU. Atomic mass of nitrogen atom, that is 14 atomic mass unit. Then atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16 atomic mass unit. Then what will be the molecular mass of nitric acid? Yes, therefore molecular mass of HNO3, nitric acid is, what it is? What is the equation? Yes, 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen, 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen atom plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. Here 3 oxygen atoms are present. So here 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. Okay. Then 1 into 1 plus 1 into 14 plus 3 into 16. Then 1 plus 14 plus 48. 8 to 1, 48. Then what is the answer? 52, 62, 63 atomic mass unit. 63 atomic mass unit. It is the molecular mass of one molecule of nitric acid. Okay. So, this way we can calculate the molecular mass of different substances. Children, next topic is formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. This is same as the molecular mass. It is the formula unit mass of a compound is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atom present in a formula unit of a compound. അതായത് molecular mass calculate ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോലെ തന്നെ, but here the word we are using formula unit. Here it is only the difference. We are used the word formula unit of a compound. Its constituents are ions. We are using the word formula unit for the compounds. Its constituents are ions. ഒരു കോമ്പൗണ്ടിലെ അതിലെ constituent particles ions ആണെങ്കിൽ formula unit, we use formula unit of the compound. Its constituent particles are ions. Okay. Example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a compound. Its constituent particles are ions. So we are using the word formula unit mass. We are calculating formula unit mass of sodium chloride. It is same manner as we calculated the molecular mass of the compound. Okay. So we are calculating molecular mass by the total sum of the atomic masses of all the atom present in a compound. In the same way we are using formula unit mass. It is also the sum of the atomic masses of all atom present in the compound. Only the difference the words formula unit and molecular mass. Formula unit mass we are calculating the compounds having its constituent particles are ions. That is the only difference. Ionic compounds. In that case, the case of ionic compounds, we are calculating formula unit mass. That is the difference between molecular mass and formula unit mass. The same way we can calculate both the masses. Okay. Children, we are going to do one example for calculating formula unit mass. Its unit also atomic mass unit. That is small letter U. We are using the letter small letter U. It is also calculated in atomic mass unit. Okay. Then one example. Calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride. I already said sodium chloride is an ionic compound. So we are calculating formula unit mass. Then the first step is writing the atomic masses of each atom present in sodium chloride. So atomic mass of sodium. How much it is? Yes, 23 atomic mass unit. Then atomic mass of chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 atomic mass unit. Here this is 23. Here 35.5 atomic mass unit. Then therefore formula unit mass. Formula unit mass equal to 1 into atomic mass of sodium, 1 into atomic mass of sodium plus 1 into atomic mass of chlorine. 1 into atomic mass of chlorine. Then we will give the values. 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5. That is 23 plus 35.5. That is 5, 8 and 58.5 atomic mass unit. 58.5 atomic mass unit. This is the formula unit mass of a sodium chloride. Formula unit mass is used in ionic compounds. Calcium chloride, another ionic compound. Magnesium chloride, it is also another ionic compound. So, the similar way we can calculate the formula unit mass of different ionic compounds. Okay. So we discussed it today, molecular mass and formula unit mass. At the time of the discussion, we can do more examples. So now let us the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.